Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 2019 Module 5 SAM Critical Thinking Project 1C. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1. Group worksheets, group the United States, Canada, and Australia worksheets. Enter today's date, replace science fantasy with science fiction, and autofill the remaining months. Step 2. Create cell style, make a new cell style named Subhead and apply it to the merged cell in row 8. Step 3. Project downloads, use a linear trend for June to November. For the second projection, apply a growth series with a 3% increase each month. Step 4. Consolidate data, ungroup worksheets, then consolidate sales and downloads in the All Locations sheet using 3D references. Copy formulas for other months. Step 5. Round sales, round up total sales values to 0 decimal places. Step 6. External reference. Link total sales data from support_EX19_5C_sales.xlsx to cell F24. Step 7. Create pie chart, make a 3D pie chart for January to April sales, format it, and explode the largest slice. Step 8. Print setup, adjust margins, set the print area, and add a footer. Step 9. Sales comparison. Create a new worksheet for January and April sales comparison with a clustered column chart. Step 10. New location template, copy the United States worksheet, rename it as New Location, and clear specific content while keeping labels and formulas. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website hhelpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.